Hello everyone, how are you all? So today in this video I'm going to talk about an issue that most of you wouldn't like, and that is about the YouTube monetization earning. Is it halal or haram on that topic? As you all know that I am a Muslim too, and recently I saw so many videos about many mufti, maulanas and Islamic scholar who said on their video that earning from YouTube monetization or YouTube ads is completely haram, and that make me uncomfortable and demotivated me to continue YouTube. Because see, there are two reasons for me to make YouTube videos. One is for my interest and second is for money. If any YouTuber told you that he don't want money, he just want to make videos on YouTube, this is not completely true. They are lying. Most of the YouTuber told that they are making the YouTube videos only for their interest, not the money. And guys, seriously speaking, they are lying. They also need money, and that is the same why for me. I am also making YouTube videos for that two reason. I like to make videos and also I want to earn money. But as I am a Muslim and I saw many Islamic scholar videos about not to enable the monetization ad and earn from the monetization, so I think I need to take an step. No, I am not talking about to demonetize all of my YouTube channel, but there is some way that can make me feel good about this YouTube monetization halal and haram issue. I found there is some option on AdSense where I can block some of categories ad. Basically all of these Muslim scholars said that it is haram because on your YouTube ads there are some ads which are not acceptable, like for the alcohol ads, dating ads, and also there are some kind of ad in Islam it's prohibited. So I see there is an option on AdSense to block some kinds of ad category. So I take a step on there. So I decided to block some of the ad categories from the AdSense on my YouTube channel ads. Now let me show you which type of ads I block on my AdSense first. Okay guys, now you can see my computer screen. And now let me show you which type of ads I blocked on my AdSense. Again, I know that this is not make it completely legal, but there is some reason I cannot demonetize all of my YouTube channel right now. So I have to continue with this, and once I feel that now I can demonetize my YouTube channel, I will demonetize it. But till then I have to use YouTube like this. So now you can see my AdSense dashboard. If I go to blocking control, and from here go to YouTube host, here I will see three options for advertising URLs, sensitive categories and general categories. So first of all, I open up the sensitive categories, and from the sensitive categories I block some type of category. First of all, we have astrology and esoteric, and which is not permissible in Islam too, because it talk about zodiac, horoscope, love spells like this. So I blocked it. Then I got cosmetic, procedure and body modification, which is also not allowed, like tattoo, body modification like this. So I block it too. Then here we have a category called dating, and we all know what is dating, and it's also prohibited in Islam, so I block it too. Then if I scroll down, here is another option or category called reference to sex, and if I mouse over here, you can see here include ads that are sexually suggestive or refer to sex, so I block it too. And here you see a category called significant skin exposure, I block it too. Then I block this category, social casino games. We all know that casino is prohibited in Islam, so I block it too. So these are the categories or the sensitive categories I blocked on my AdSense. Now if I go back and go to general categories, here you can see I partially block these two things, dining and nightlife and finance. And if I go to dining and nightlives, you can see here I block the nightclub, bar and music club, those type of ads from my AdSense, because we all know that those type of things are prohibited in our religion. So basically these are all the categories which you need to block on your AdSense if you want to remove some type of nudity and vulgar ads from your AdSense content or YouTube content. I know guys that this not gonna make this YouTube earning completely halal. I'm not going to against all of these Islamic scholar which know much more than me, so I have to follow them as I'm a Muslim too. But there is some reason I cannot completely demonetize my YouTube channel, so I have to do all of these things. So guys, that's the all thing I have to say in this video. I know many of you gonna give negative comment in this video, but I don't care about it because I'm a Muslim and I have to follow my religion, and for this I have to do it. So guys, that's all for today. Let me know your opinion in the comment section below, and I will try to answer your question if I know the answer of your question. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for your watching.